Hi, I'm Christian.
And I'm Vera.
And today we're gonna have to replace our drive shaft.
Oh boy.
Before we do that I'm gonna attach a camera to our drive line below the car, and we're gonna check out that damaged center bearing and see what it's doing in the regular car operation, and enjoy the video.
Enjoy.
Let's get that heat shield off. So there is our center bearing, and this is all gone here. So what we're gonna do now is attach the camera that we see this center bearing while driving. I got the action cam mounted to the transfer case, looking at the drive shaft, looking here exactly at the center bearing. See this here on the camera? See here? It's pretty cool, huh? Pretty wacky. This camera is running. I got the inside dash running. Here I got the phone here in front of me to see the camera on the camera at the drive shaft. And now we're gonna go on a test drive and hit record here. Here we go from second into third. We do one shot in 30 frames per second. Starting up now. So my conclusion out of this footage is that this center bearing rubber compound could be gone already for tens of thousands of kilometers. I don't feel any kind of vibration, which I can correlate with the picture I see here on my phone. When this thing is yanking up and down, there's no vibration caused by this. I guess if the car would be quiet enough, there would be some vibration. So here we are, back home. I mounted it to the transfer case.
To the transfer case?
Yes, that's the only hole I found. And then I did a test drive without you. Yeah?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Got this here mounted to the transfer case without my wife. Did this all alone. Okay?
You already filmed it?
Yes, I did a test drive.
Oh, I don't want to see what you filmed. We should do that underbody protection stuff also here. It looks.
I don't want to ever do underbody protection in my life.
But
Not
you
in the
can-
next 2 years.
but you
Quiet,
can-
quiet, quiet.
No.
See here, I show you guys. See, it's all looking beautiful. See here, it's good. Okay, what I need now is 3/8 inch socket extension, ratchet, and 13 millimeter socket. I think the ratchet I got down here already.
Yeah, what kind of an extension do you need?
Long.
Long. So that's long.
Yes. And then I need
And the rack. What do you call it?
a 13 millimeter socket. Yeah, I'm aging.
See if that's 13 because the next one is 14.
Okay, then I need
Is that like a reducer or
no,
is that
that's
the
an
other-
extender.
You mean that?
Yes. So this goes because I don't want to drop this drive shaft on my head. Yes. Very well. Good girl.
And you left one in?
No. Now I got to do the rear side. Okay, it's definitely loose now. I need some luck.
Oh.
There's the last bolt. There it is.
Come here. Are you sure?
It is. Take this end. It's greasy.
Yes, I want.
There it is.
Okay.
Okay. So let's walk inside
Oh,
and do a drive shaft analysis.
a comparison.
Don't rub it along our car.
No, I won't. Wait a second.
Yes. Yeah, put your butt in front of the car and not the drive shaft. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we got the new drive shaft. 130 some euros, right?
Yes, and it looks completely different than the one we have.
Well, not so different, but it's definitely not a genuine drive shaft.
Yeah.
The OEM drive shaft is 100 times better than this drive shaft. That's the bottom line.
And it costs 10 times.
5 times more.
5 times.
So it's the question again. Why did Land Rover get away with one universal joint?
Because it's mounted like that.
No, I want to have some mathematical or engineering kind of explanation.
It has the same RPM as...
No,
No?
no.
Oh, that...
Why did Land Rover get away with one universal joint?
Because it's running in a straight line. In a
Excellent.
straight orientation.
Are you lucky the battery is empty soon?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
so,
God.
but one more question, and there is enough battery for this.
Oh, boy. Yeah.
What's the downside of operating a universal joint in a straight orientation?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Oh, no.
Yes, you do. Notching.
Oh, the notching. Here.
If those joints are not articulated in every revolution, they wear in on one spot, and that's called notching.
Yeah, but what does that do?
It causes play in this joint. Whenever we start working on that car, the weather starts turning on us.
And
So
it's a Sunday today.
it's a Sunday morning.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this fixed. This is not a big deal.
Yeah.
So, and here we go. I got the camera. Oh, look at this. It's snowing. Remember to put your butt towards the car so you don't scratch it. We got it the wrong way. Yeah.
You got it wrong.
Yeah, you got it the wrong way. This way. So here's the camera. I'll turn the lights on.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah,
It's so
it's
cold.
only half an hour work to put this back in.
That would be a first.
So let's get this down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. There we go. one more bolt back here. Yeah, this is a really loose fit.
Whoa.
Oh my god. And I need a 3/8 inch ratchet. Yeah. Gotta turn it one more time. There we go. So that's 30 Newton meter.
Yeah.
Good. You get in the vehicle and step on the brakes. 1, 2, step on the brakes, real hard.
Yeah.
Leave it.
Yeah.
Oh, I hurt my back. Okay, I got it. 150 Newton.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, step on it real hard. Okay, leave it alone. And that's it. There we go. Now we gotta turn the air suspension back on.
Oh, the fuse.
Yeah. Air suspension back on. So it's done. We got that new drive shaft in. Boy, it sure had a loose fit on the rear differential. That's what you get when you buy cheap spare parts. Now we're on a test drive. We're gonna see if we notice any kind of vibration, but probably not. It's too slow. It's snowy and icy today. Hopefully that was somewhat entertaining to watch that drive shaft exchange. I really like that footage from the center bearing moving around underneath. And I was kind of surprised how cool the car sounds underneath when you step on the gas on that diesel. Quite impressive, I think. You got anything else to add?
Yes,
You're so
I'm
quiet.
shocked that we took that car on the Autobahn and we did that 160 kilometers an hour test, probably with a broken center bearing. You know?
Not probably, for sure.
Yeah.
Broken with a broken. And did you hear that slipping sound when it was rubbing? You could clearly hear it rubbing in the video. So yeah, that's how it goes. Luckily, we took that heat shield off and we noticed it. We'll see how we're gonna go on with this topic, but this is not how it's gonna stay. There's more to come on that drive shaft topic.
Yes.
We're gonna give you a comparison in detail, sort of an analysis between the old drive shaft and the new drive shaft, most likely next week if some other thing isn't more interesting to do.
Or breaks down.
Or we got some serious repair.
Yeah.
Whatever. This is gonna be in the line. So hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next week.
See you next week. Exactly.
Yeah.
I have the tea bag.
No.
Oh.